week. It's Friday evening, a little after 5. And it's been a long week. We've got a lot done. I want to show you some things that are completed and things that we've got started on the next phase. Okay, so let me show you that. So we purchased used cabinets. We find it's an incredible savings, and if a little bit of modification, you can get things to work fine. I don't think I'm going to have to do much with this set. It's seeming to work out. So that's the first group, and obviously this is the corner, and it'll work its way out. I think I told you before I only had to buy new 2 sets of 18-inch upper and lower base. But what I really wanted to show you was the finished tile in this bathroom. I just cleaned up today. Got it all grouted, so there it is. Pretty sharp looking, isn't it? I was very happy with that choice. Now I gotta pick a color. They fixed the grout on this floor. Got it all cleaned up, so that's done. Oh, and then of course we got the walls primed. Finished the ceilings, primed out the drywall. I started putting in new receptacles in. We just take you upstairs and show you the other bathroom, and the fact that everything else is primed up as well. There it is. We picked up this vanity too from the same place, just happens to be the right size. The woman started to prime it up on her own, which is fine other than the fact that she used tape. Tape, the worst. That's not tape, that's where tape pulled the paper off the wood veneer. Anyway, we'll fix that somehow. Here's the office all trimmed out, mudded out I should say. Got my light in up there. Everything's primed, ceiling's finished. Same thing in the hallway. I ended up, I don't know if I was telling you, I skimmed all these walls. They're all that rough texture. Alana will appreciate that. Got the grout, well, tile and grout done there for the laundry area. And then the master bedroom. Got the walls all skimmed and primed. So now all I have to do is finish out some trim. Hello everyone, Rincon Steve here. We are making progress. As you can see behind me, we have our cabinets in. And you can see the lights are in, the under cabinet lights. And I think we've got most of our trim done down here too. Let me just show you what we've got going. I probably mentioned it before, but these are used cabinets that we found on Craigslist. I've taken the doors and drawer fronts off. These cabinets are going to be painted. So I've taken them, well, you got to take the doors off to install them anyway. So I might as well keep them off so that I can go paint them. I'll paint them off site. Now, all our measurements worked out perfectly, meaning all the cabinets worked for what we needed, except for, and I think I mentioned this before, this 18-inch lower, which I had to get new, and that 18-inch upper. So all I had to do is buy the cabinets, which were $500. I think I'm into 200, under 200 for these two. And then a piece of Luan, which is this 1/4-inch plywood that you have to put on the side because it's just press board. I use Luan because it's going to be painted and it paints up pretty nice. So a piece there, piece there. I use Luan for the kick down underneath. So there and there. Again, it's going to be painted. And then I put one on this end, so you see I got the clamp on it. because I couldn't nail in the middle, so I had glued it, and that's just waiting for the glue to dry. That was just to close up the gaps, and again, that'll paint up pretty nice. And then I was able to install a few pieces of baseboard that are needing to be done where our new walls were. I did this here, our microwave opening, put a sill on there. It's kind of just a little bit of detail there. Tried to use up some lumber that we had, and I did it up here as well. So, yeah, getting there, getting there. We also made a deal with a guy to do the countertops. Turns out we've kind of upgraded. You know how it goes. We ended up choosing quartz. It goes real well with this floor. I was going to install it, but I learned about this guy. He can do it for under $600. That's 2 big pieces and doing the sink cutout. And he'll pick it up and bring it in, all that stuff. That would take me days. So he's going to start today, so eager to see that. Alright, so I'm going to be moving upstairs, try to get the trim done up there, and yeah, I'll be checking back with you.